kung meron kang power or authority na baguhin ang mga bagay-bagay sa iyong work area to make it more effective, more efficient, quality better, and things are easier, what will you do? Tinanong ko yung tanong na yan sa mga participants ng Logical, Critical, and Creative Thinking Workshop last week. And I counted close to 40 suggestions that will lead to faster processing, improvement of quality, reduction of downtime, etc. And that wasn't the first time I asked that question. I always ask that question, and I always get a lot of inputs from people on what can improve in the workplace. And every time I ask them about the possibility of them talking about it to their bosses, and I got very little confidence from people na masasabi nila yon sa kanilang mga boss because they feel that their boss are not open to hearing from them about their ideas on what can change in the workplace. Imagine that. More than our close to 40 ideas. What if only one or two or three of it will actually work? Imagine how much that will contribute to organizational performance if people are not afraid to speak up about what can be improved in the workplace. Di ba?